All right, late January in Michigan, we're gonna try to put down some tree squirrels. It is freezing out here. I probably did not pick the best day for this, but it happens to be the only day I have off. So stay tuned, check it out. All right, 0 for 2 on the squirrels. I knocked the first one out of the tree, chasing through the woods. The second one I should have hit. I put it right in his head, and he wasn't that far away. So I just shot my gun into this tree a couple times, and I'm about an inch and a half low, which explains it. So for the next one, I'll aim up a little bit.
major bummer. I just set the camera up, saw a squirrel way out there. Cut the distance a little bit. I got within 65 or 70 yards, got down on one knee, and I absolutely smoked this squirrel, but it was a long shot. I don't know where I hit him in the first shot, but he couldn't get away. He started to try to crawl, and he ended up right here dead. I thought I had it on film, but apparently I didn't hit record, so he ended up right here. You could see where he tried to crawl away through the snow. I ran up and got him. This is where I hit him initially, right here. And you can see the bullet drag, where the bullet skimmed the snow right before I tagged him. And he tried to get away, but I tagged him good enough where I was able to run up and get on him. So cool. So, big old fat guy. We're gonna go clean him up and eat him. So, I don't know where I hit him the first shot. I'll have to look when I go to clean him. But anyway, tagged him. Sweet. 2. Slow morning. Saw 4. Could have shot 2 other ones.